so cool. I've never been headlighted since I'm working. Come on up, baby. Jump, gonna jump. Yep, look out. Here we go. I'm trying. Oh, get up there. Yeah, 108. Oh, that's sweet, man.
I told you I dropped it right down his throat.
Yeah, you did. You dropped it down his throat. Oh! That's sweet, man. That is so sweet. That's a dancer there, my boy. Uh-oh. He still wants to take shit. Oh, a little bit. Come on, Danny. Woo! You ain't shitting. That was outstanding, man. I got. Yeah, I see it. He's wrapping the line right here. I got the rope. You got slack, Khalil, with that line around you. That's bigger than the other one.
Oh, yeah.
That's bigger than. That's bigger than the other one. What a man! What a go, guy! Nice leader.
Yes, man.
Isn't that sweet, man? Y'all did that was cool, man.
Oh, yeah.
That's bigger than. That's bigger than the other one. What a man! What a go, guy! Nice leader.
Yes, man.
Isn't that sweet, man? Y'all did that was cool, man. Look at that shit, man! Jesus Christ!
Prime spot, that fucker was sideways.
That's a bad motherfucker.
That was killers. Good job, Danny.
Man, y'all did great, man. You ready?
Yep.
Catch your breath. No worries. That felt better that time. Hey, that one didn't get away, big boy. I can't believe we lost that mahi-mahi. You're on video, right?
The leader's on clip.
Hey, we still on? That's what I'm thinking. Was that cool or what? What to get over there?
That fucking video is nice, bro. Hey, you're right there.
I know. Get right in. Get right there. I'm gonna get all of y'all real quick. Yeah, that was a great jump right in the camera, man.
That was a fucking bean.
Was that cool?